It's a very broad issue, but I think it's at the very heart of how Ericsson are addressing our business, because we are in the midst of rolling out 5G globally now. We are on 4 continents, but of course 5G needs to be paired with security and integrated with security. Otherwise it will not be the commercial and economic success that we expect. So I think it's a very well chosen subject. Well, I mean, Ericsson is a business-to-business organization. We're not in handsets, something like that. We work with operators and governments. So I think we have to recognize that this is a concerted effort. Of course, we as users need to be aware of what we can do on security, but it also requires the companies, vendors, operators, but also governments to work together in order to create this secure environment when we move into 5G, which is happening right now. So it's a joint effort required. I think it's necessary, because we can do a lot from the company side. We can work out standards for how we develop our products, how we secure our products, but then we need to have a partnership also with the governments and the public sector to set the rules, the frameworks, and the regulations that will be necessary in order for us to deliver a secure 5G going forward. So it's definitely a partnership. I think that 5G is not just another G. We moved up to 4G so far, sort of enhancing the network capacities, but 5G will introduce really revolutionary aspects. We will connect basically everything. We will connect industries, we'll connect transport, we will connect healthcare, we'll connect energy. So basically this will become a critical infrastructure for our whole societies, for our economies. So of course we are at the very early stages yet, especially in Europe, but we see a tremendous capacity for 5G to change the way we work, the way we produce, the way we manufacture, the way we do transport, etc. So it's a fascinating future we look forward to. So I think that since 5G will become this, have this very revolutionary effect on our societies, our economies, of course we need to work in parallel at the same time to make these networks secure and trusted. So I think on the one hand it creates tremendous opportunities, but it also creates challenges, and there we need to have this partnership I already talked about. Governments working together with business to secure the 5G networks of the future. I think that not only talking about the whole of Central Eastern Europe, but I think it's a very dynamic region, and Ericsson has a presence in all of the countries here. But just highlight Poland, which I think is doing a fantastic job. And we have decided to invest more in Poland because of the high quality of people we find here. We have 2,000 people in R&D. We are now expanding also manufacturing in Poland. It will be our second largest manufacturing base in Europe, including for 5G. So I think that many of the Central European countries, not least Poland, but also Hungary and others, Romania, are doing a fantastic job here, and I think will be able to play a key role for all of Europe and possibly also the world moving into the next generation of technologies. I think it's sorely needed, and I think, of course, I understand this is the 5th time, and this conference has a well-earned reputation as an important event. And of course, we see the gathering, people coming not only from Europe, but from other parts of the world for this conference. It shows that there is a need, and also that it proves that Poland has the capability to organize these events in the best possible way.